This is the Deluxe Ocean View room at Ayana Resort and Spa in Bali. Really gorgeous tub, and you can pay something like $40 and they'll set up a flower bath in there for you, which is really cool, and I regret not doing it, but that's also a lot considering the prices in Bali. There's a separate toilet room with a really fancy electric bidet if you're into that. And then this shower was so cool. It had a rain shower and a little handheld. Also, the hairdryer is in the drawer, which took me a long time to figure out for some reason. They give you these really cool tie robes and slippers. One thing we noticed is that there's not a lot of drawer space. It's all about the closet space. And then there's a safe and there's a couple different pool bags you can use. This was the biggest bed I have literally ever seen in my entire life. I feel like you can't even capture it on video. It was literally 8 or 9 feet long. The architecture was really cool and really authentic. They've newly renovated some of the rooms, and so make sure if you have the Deluxe Ocean View room that you are getting one of the upgraded ones, because it's a pretty significant difference between the two rooms. And the views are incredible. This is pretty much as close as you can get to the water, since the rest of the way to the water is resort, but it was beautiful.